This is Derek G Photography. I just wanted to introduce you to somebody that came in for shoot number 2.
Number 2! Hi, I'm Raven. I'm a model, of course, and I'm so glad to be the second model to help him with his studio.
We met during the awesome Good Ink event a couple weeks ago.
Yes.
And so she came into my studio and offered up to be the second person. So anyway,
Yes.
Do you have an Instagram or anything that you wanted to advertise?
Yes, actually, my Instagram is Raven Lane, RAIVYNLANEE. It will be down in the link below or tagged right here.
We'll make sure it gets on there. Awesome.
But yeah, go give me a follow.
Let's do it. Just want to give you a kind of a bird's eye view of the setup I'm using. So I'm using my Amaran 300C to light up this really big umbrella right here. And that's providing some really nice soft light from the front. And then from over here, I'm gonna use this Striplight that's gonna be used for predominantly just a hair light. And I think the plan's going to be that, so most of the shots have been seated and standing, but we're gonna take a couple shots where she's laying on the ground. So right there. I am really big fan of this backdrop and I really like it. And this is for all you guys. I also wanted to say, so I started off, I bought Lindsay Adler's optical spot and I spent some time learning about it. But the issue that I'm having right now, and I fell into this mistake today, is I didn't really play with it too much before this shoot and there's a lot to learn. So we got some good shots. I'm probably gonna edit some of those, but it's one of those cases where when you get this new gear, you really have to play with it. And that on me, I didn't play with it before we really shot. So I'll learn more about it. It's really cool. But for now, I'm going back to what I really know, which is just shooting a bunch of big, beautiful, soft light all over the place. So hey, I just wanted to say thank you to Raven for joining me in studio this weekend. This was shoot number 2, man. And we got it on the books. So we got shoots 3 and 4 lined up, but this was shoot number 2. And we shot against this really awesome Cocoa background that I got from Savage Backdrop and Action Camera, and I absolutely love it. It brought out her skin tones amazingly. And if you can see, I have my Amaran 150C that I was using in the back. Love my Amarans. This one's a little bit less powerful than the Amaran that you see to the left. But you know, we were just using it for some hair light and some backlight. So I was really impressed. These Amarans are no joke, and I love the fact that you could just change the warmth of the white and the colors on the fly. Hey guys, just want to let you know what we did was I got this really big umbrella in front of her. Really
okay.
Big. And that's gonna offer some really nice flat light. And then I have my one little Amaran behind her, and that's just holding a reflector, no grids, and it's just for some hair light, and it's really making these images pop. Check this out. Installed a mist filter on my camera. Mist filters are no joke in studio. People use them a lot outside. You can use them in studio too. So here's an example of an image that I got with my mist filter, and I believe I was using the Hoya black mist filter at 1/4 power. So hey, this is probably my favorite image of the shoot, and I know Raven liked that one as well. I did want to include this one, although you don't see the look for this one. I really liked the blue, and this was the optical spot. You want to see these hazy ones?
I do actually.
There's just a little bit of a hazy effect.
Oh yeah.
See how it's good? I love it. Dude, your hair's. I love the way that
that's just
the hair light is making your hair. This is shoot number 2, so you can imagine there's going to be a ton of content coming out from this shoot. Ton of content. Yeah, so get ready.